Hello friends, so in today's lecture we are going to talk about SEM. It is a type of electron microscopy, scanning electron microscopy. As the name suggests, it only scans the object and give a topological view that how images look like, how object is look like. Here all the different components I already talked into the TEM. So first I suggest you to view TEM, my first video about transmission electron microscopy, then was the SEM. Here the difference between SEM and TEM is in TEM the object is placed between the objective lens and the condenser lens, but here in SEM the object is placed last of the microscopy. Due to this, the electron is bombarded here and it reflects into the secondary electron, because here we only use or view topological area rather than internalize. Here the transmission of electron occurs, here the scanning of electron is occurring. Now actually what happened, as you can see into the image, the electron gun generated the electron beam. The electron beam is passed through some lenses and the beam deflector. Beam deflector, what to do? They just pick up the beam at the size right place, and now through by this at the last the object is placed. Now electron is bombarded on the object. Now secondary electron, the electron which is reflected, is collected by the collector and view into the screen. Now this is all about the scanning electron microscopy. I hope you learn, and if you want to learn anything from me, just comment below the comment section. I hope I will make the video. Thank you.